Hello dear fans. How to calculate the side of an isosceles triangle. An isosceles, or isosceles triangle, is called a triangle in which the lengths of the two sides are the same. If you need to calculate the length of one of the sides of such a figure, you can use the knowledge of the angles at its vertices in combination with the length of one of the sides or the radius of the circumscribed circle. These parameters of the polygon are related by the theorems of sines, cosines, and some other constant relations. Instructions. Step 1. To calculate the length of the lateral side of an isosceles triangle, B, from the conditions the length of the base, A, and the value of the adjacent angle, alpha, use the cosine theorem. It follows from it that you should divide the length of the known side by twice the cosine of the angle given in the conditions, B equals A/2 asterisk cos, alpha. Step 2. Apply the same theorem for the reverse operation, calculating the length of the base, A, from the known length of the side, B, and the value of the angle, alpha, between these two sides. In this case, the theorem allows one to obtain an equality, the right-hand side of which contains the double product of the length of the known side by the cosine of the angle, A equals 2 asterisk B asterisk cos, alpha. Step 3. If, in addition to the lengths of the sides, B, the conditions give the value of the angle between them, beta, use the theorem of sines to calculate the length of the base, A. From it follows the formula, according to which the doubled length of the side should be multiplied by the sine of half of the known angle, A equals 2 asterisk B asterisk sin, beta/2. Step 4. The sine theorem can also be used to find the length of the lateral side, B, of an isosceles triangle if the length of the base, A, and the value of the opposite angle, beta, are known. In this case, double the sine of half of the known angle and divide by the resulting value the length of the base, B equals A/2 asterisk sin, beta/2. Step 5. If a circle is described near an isosceles triangle, the radius of which, r, is known, to calculate the lengths of the sides, you need to know the value of the angle at one of the vertices of the figure. If the conditions provide information about the angle between the sides, beta, calculate the length of the base, A, of the polygon by doubling the product of the radius and the value of the sine of this angle, A equals 2 asterisk r asterisk sin, beta. If you are given the angle at the base, alpha, to find the length of the side, B, simply replace the angle in this formula, B equals 2 asterisk r asterisk sin, alpha. Thanks for watching.